It's November the 5th, but Franco probably won't be thinking about fireworks today because his Christmas has come early.
Look at that, isn't that fantastic? Isn't that brilliant? It's such a lovely looking engine. I mean, there's nothing more than a Spitfire than its engine. I mean, it's the heart of the actual aircraft, isn't it, you know? I mean, just look at it. That engine came out of that aircraft. That's its original 66, Merlin 66, that's actually going back into it. So you can't get better than that.
Franco's taking a few moments to enjoy his new toy before he has to let the team get their hands on it.
Quite a lot of the connections are all wire locked. The way the wire's made out is to stop it from undoing. So if it was ever to vibrate loose, it wouldn't actually come loose. If that was to become slack, this wire wouldn't allow it to undo totally. See, it's locked by this one. And that would have been done during the war, as in basically aviation standards. Right, let's get it unloaded, I suppose. There you go, that was its first flight.
Now he's going to have to share it. Inside the hangar, preparations are underway to install the engine. But before you bolt a 3/4-ton engine onto the front of a Spitfire, some precautions are advised.
What we're doing is we're tying the back end of the aircraft down, and we don't want any weight issues. Like, we put the engine in, the next minute the tail goes up, so we always have this massive concrete block here tied to the tail end.
The block weighs 1/3 of a ton. They've got one big job to bolt the engine on, and then dozens of little ones to install all the systems that connect to it.
That's it. See, what we're trying to do is get this right down the middle, with the beam down the middle, and then pick it up, and then just push it. Start lifting the stand up soon. What we'll do is just put the gear up and bring it down a bit.
They have to move very carefully. This is not a good moment to destroy months of expensive restoration work.
There you are. Easy does it. They really don't roll nicely, those wheels. Am I all right on the supercharger casing on your side, Tony? Right.
Now down or back?
No, we've got to go back.
We've got to come back.
Right, shit, move.
8 bolt holes need to be perfectly lined up.
We need to go back further to go down.
Right.
So we're having to drop it, push it back, drop it, push it back.
We need to come back another 2 inches at least.
You ain't got 2 inches.
It's a tight squeeze at the back where lots of components have been installed on the firewall.
I'll take this pipe off.
There's one small part blocking their progress.
This banjo pipe is in the way.
Yeah, because that's not real, is it?
Righto, hold it there.
Banjo pipe removed. And the Leviathan edges closer.
Hold it there. And again. That's it.
It's there.
These are aluminium points and this is a steel point, the bolt, so it just basically stops any corrosion between them happening.
You ain't going anywhere those yet, mate. Gotta get that bad boy in there.
All 8 bolts are in.
It's on. That's all right, then?
Yeah.
Perfect.
T-brake.
That's the one big job done. Now the real work can begin, with dozens of pipes, cables and electrics to install.